This is lecture number 1 and video number 4. In this video we are going to see FPSC's favorite assays domains, that in your paper, in your CSS paper, what are different domains, what are different areas from papers, checker, from the examiner or FPSC give you assays. So the first one is the domestic, national. It can be domestic or national essay based on domestic issues and national issues, like socio-cultural issues, like terrorism in Pakistan, energy crisis. So in this domain, you are asked about socio-cultural issues of Pakistan, like sectarianism could be there, like disintegration could be there, or terrorism in Pakistan. All the national and domestic issues, energy crisis, water crisis, and all unemployment, poverty, these all essays deal out with domestic and national. The first domain is the national and domestic, that in your 10 topics, there are 10 topics that are given to you in your essay paper, and from 10 topics, the first domain is domestic and national. There would be 2 or 3 essays that that are about your domestic and national issues. Okay, in 2020, the essay was the democracy in Pakistan, challenges and hurdles, like this, and tourism, promotion of tourism in Pakistan, opportunities and challenges, like this types of essays are asked in the first domain. And the second one is the regional domain. Regional means like CPAC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, challenges, it's a game changer, critics of CPAC. So this essay deal about China-Pakistan regional, all the topics that deals with region, like South Asia at nuclear flashpoint, means Pakistan's India relationship. This is also asked in current affair in Pakistan affair, but here in essay it's also important, that how South Asia is, because of Kashmir issue, is at a nuclear flashpoint. There have been 3 wars over Kashmir issue between Pakistan and India, and the situation is very worst in this region. So there can be essay about this. And peaceful Afghanistan is actually peaceful Pakistan. This is also in our region, because Afghanistan is our neighboring country, and peace process, just if you read about it, you listened about it, Pakistan, by the efforts of Pakistan, America, Taliban, and all the stakeholders have agreed upon an agreement, and the peace process has been started over there. So the essay about your regions means China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, and India. So this is the region of Pakistan, and essays about our region is region essay. This is the second domain. In this 2020 attempts, essay was about Kashmir issue and future of Pakistan. Kashmir issue and future of Pakistan. And the third one is international, global power dynamics. This was the first essay that was in 2020. Global power dynamics, how the Thessalonian traps is going to exposed, is going to means to say, by the attempts by the race between China and America, how it's telling about Thucydides trap, that an emerging superpower is a threat to existing superpower. It's a Thucydides trap. So this essay is about international issues, international problems, international politics, international economy, that comes in this domain number 3. Climate change, very important topic. Almost every attempt, there would be an essay about climate change, that how climate change is going to be devastating for the world. What are the factors that are causing climate change, and what can be the remedies that can change the situation of climate, and what are the hurdles, like America have withdrawn from Paris Climate Agreement, and some of the other countries that are not in the favor that there would be climate change because they have to pay. They have to pay the developing countries. They think that it's a plan to get their wealth by making a propaganda, but it's not a propaganda. Actually, propagandas are being made by those people who are not understanding what is actually climate change is. Already the ocean level have risen, so need to understand about it, that how climate change is affecting. Globalization is important, that how interconnectedness of the world is fruitful or not. There could be two stances, either it's fruitful or not. Cooperation, not competition, can lead the world towards peace. It's also about international. So where there is Pakistan, name of Pakistan, the name of the country is not mentioned, that essay is about international issues. So you can take the examples of from international level as well. If there will be essay, use of social media, prospects and challenges, you can put over there case in points examples from anywhere of the world, because there would be no talk about Pakistan in particularly. The essay is about whole, so don't worry about that and take examples from wherever you are getting, and there remember that the examples of the case points which we are going to write over there must be authentic. And the fourth one is the proverbial. This one is the most difficult area of essays. Do we really need literature in our lives? Actually, this is the importance of literature. If you take a stance that literature helps in our life, then you will be talking about the importance of literature, that how literature reflects our life, influences our life, it has impacts our life, it has positive and negative impacts. So both angles you will be dealing with both angles. And the last one, the time we live is is the venture of the world. Remember, proverbial essays are very difficult because most of the time students do not take right stance. They just see the surface meaning. They don't go into deep meaning and don't go into the internal connotation of the words and of the sentences what the writer actually is asking about. So just reading out a sentence and making it and translating it, it's not a encoding actually. Encoding is something that you have understood what is actually asked and how you are going to decode it. Actually, this is decoding, this is the requirement. So I will recommend that don't go for proverbial essay. Some of the people say that if you write proverbial essay, there may be chances for you, because most of the people do not choose, and in this way competition will get less. No. In proverbial essay, most of the time, most of the students don't have material. They cannot create their coherence and cohesion because they present irrelevant things in order to meet the requirement of the words, and in this way they get failed. So I'll recommend that don't go for proverbial essays. However, the students who belongs to literature or philosophy background, they can be, but the risk is also there. So it's up to you that how you are going to take this one. Remember, there are essays in your essay paper, that topics. There would be some essays whose stance is given there, and there would be some essays whose stance you have to take by yourself. The stance which you are going to take by yourself may be wrong. So try to choose an essay whose stance is given over there. You just have to write about. You are not going to take stance. There are many things about essays. This was just orientation lecture, that how you will dealing your English essay paper. It's the orientation, it's the overall. Inshallah, in upcoming lectures we will be seeing the how to make outlines, how to write introductory paragraph, how to conclude your paragraph, what are the requirements of the words, what are the connecting words actually we will be discussing, and what are the terms that can be used in an essay, how you should start your essay. So different approaches are there. We will be providing you the materials of essays, and as well as we will counsel you that how you can write better. There would be evaluation of essays, because without practice you cannot write. So writing is too much important. Practice, practice, and practice. Practice makes a man perfect. This is the rule of essay. For have a mentor in check. You must be checked, because if you are not getting checked up, it will backfire you. You will be in a delusion that you have knowledge, you can write, but at the end you will not be able. Remember one thing more: grammatical patterns matters a lot. There would be no grammatical repetition of grammatical patterns. In one day, some of the students were talking about grammatical pattern. One of them asked that, sir, how we can talk two negative things. He gave me a sentence that one cannot grow and nation cannot grow. One cannot recognize himself and nation cannot grow. So he asked that, sir, how I am using can and cannot in both classes. He asked that, can you tell me, sir, the two things, the patterns that describes the two negative classes. So I told him the use of neither and nor. So this is how you have to make your essay grammatically correct and advanced variants, not translated variant, right, but advanced variant. So explore the grammatical patterns. The easy way by exploring grammatical pattern is to read a newspaper and observe three things: what are the thoughts and how the grammatical patterns are arranged there, and what types of grammatical patterns are there, and the vocabulary. So in this way you will be getting that how you should write, and ask your mentor that if you see any new grammatical pattern, ask your mentor that he should tell you what is actually is and how it has been formed. So this was all about the orientation lecture of essay. Inshallah, in upcoming lecture we will be dealing about outlines, how to make outlines. We will be practicing about outlines and all that. So thank you so much, and inshallah wait for the next. We will be meeting in next.